there, and thanks for following Lake City Assembly of God online. We have a few announcements to share with you.
First, we want to let you know that our membership class is coming up February 1st. It will start at 9:15 in the pastor's office. So if you would like to become a member or just find out more about our fellowship here, come and join us at 9:15.
And a new season of life groups is kicking off February 1st. We are so excited because there's a few changes coming to life groups. First, we have 7 homes involved this time because we are switching to 2 nights a month of life groups. So make sure you get signed up for a life group.
And we are so excited about our first ever Blessed with the Best Valentine's dinner coming up February 14th. The doors will open at 4:30 and then it will start at 5. The cost is $30 per couple for a catered meal, a game, breakout sessions. There will be childcare provided, and you can register online by scanning the QR code, and the registration ends February 6th.
The youth will be serving that night as a fundraiser for a youth camp, so you don't want to miss out to support them and enjoy an awesome date night event.
We're so glad you've stopped by here online today. We hope that you will join us really soon right here on campus for a service. They start every Sunday morning at 10:30 and Wednesday nights at 6:30.
Make sure you like this video, leave us a comment, and share it with your friends. See you soon.
Have a great week.